Hi friends, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will tell you how you can enable call recording on your iPhone using iOS 18. Friends, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Be sure to put your likes under this video and also write your comments after watching. So friends, let's get started. First of all, I recommend you to check if your iPhone is updated to the latest version, namely iOS 18. If not, then update it. To do this, you will need to open the settings on your iPhone and then select General. Next, go to Settings Updates. When you go here, you'll see what version you have installed. And if you have a version other than iOS 18, then I recommend that you click here to update your iPhone to iOS 18. Once that's done, the call recording option will be available on your iPhone. And now you can use it, which is very convenient by the way, because it allows you to record calls. And if you need to memorize some important information, or if you don't have a place to write it down, or if you want to be safe, this feature will help you. And in order to activate it, you have to open your phone, and then you have to either find the contact in the list, or you can just dial the number you want. And after you leave the number, and let's say call it, you will see when your subscriber picks up the phone, at the top of the left side will be an option, thanks to which you can enable such a recording of the call. And you will be notified that call recording is enabled, and you will also be notified to your interlocutor. And also you can turn off the call recording at any time, because it will be on your call. And you can stop it like a voice recorder. After the call recording is already completed and stopped, you will also get a notification that the call recording has been paused. And you can find it very easily. For this, you will have to come to Notat-Key on your iPhone, and here you can see a separate Notat-Key with your call records, in which you can go, listen to your calls. If necessary, you can delete such a call recording, or you can save it to your files. For example, this is the way, friends, you can easily enable call recording on your iPhone iOS 18. I hope you found this video useful. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and also write your comments. Like. Goodbye.